If you have a car or are a car enthusiast, you've probably thought about what you can get to make your car look even cooler. So here are some incredible inventions you can put in your car to spice it up. And no, your music doesn't count. Number 12. Amazon Echo Auto. Ever wondered what it would be like to have Siri's estranged cousin Alexa in your car? Well, look no further than this device. The Amazon Echo Auto lets you take the Alexa voice assistant along for the ride, which isn't usually possible. It's a regular little device that plugs into your car's 12-volt outlet or USB port and connects to your phone's Alexa app to provide every voice-activated service that your homebound Echo offers. This includes news, sports scores, recipes, shopping lists, and music streaming. It doesn't provide car-specific features like Alexa-based voice-guided directions or any of that, but it's still a low-priced little accessory for bringing some smarts to your vehicle. Number 11. iOttie Wireless Car Charger. We're currently in the day and age where wireless phone chargers are becoming the norm, and even some cars come with this feature. However, if your car doesn't, that isn't a problem. The iOttie Wireless Car Charger not only performs the basic job of being a vent-mounted phone holder, but also a wireless car charger. It mounts right on the dashboard, or get a version that goes on the air vent or cup holder. It also has motion sensing technology that automatically opens and closes the mount for secure phone installation. QI certified wireless technology, which charges your phone without charging cables, and a newly crafted design telescopic arm, which gives you adjustable viewing from 4.9 to 8.3 inches. Number 10. Vivint Car Guard. Regardless of how old your car is, it still requires some sort of protection from thieves and mishandling. This is where this device comes in. The Vivint Car Guard plugs directly into your vehicle's OBD2 port and contains a GPS radio for location tracking and a cellular radio that connects to T-Mobile's 4G network for data communication. It also has a 3-axis accelerometer that detects movement from bumps, break-ins, or towing attempts, and will also let you know of any erratic driving moves, such as speeding and harsh braking. It also will diagnose mechanical issues and trigger Vivint smart home devices such as cameras, outdoor lighting, and sirens. Number 9. Nonda ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor. Tire safety is one of the most important safety precautions in a car. This device is quite handy and saves you the stress of having to pull out the very cumbersome tire pressure gauge you have. The Nonda ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor is an amazing device which connects to your smartphone and comes with anti-theft tire pressure sensors which can be screwed onto your tire valves regardless of the make or model. This would send pressure and temperature information to your smartphone in real time. You'll also get notifications and alerts that warn you of tire pressure issues that prevent dangerous blowouts, as well as slow leak detection with accurate temp technology, enabling the ZUS app to detect any slow leak accurately. Number 8. Dewalt 20-volt max cordless tire inflator. Speaking of tire safety, how to prevent yourself from getting screwed over by dangerous blowouts and whatnot, this device is the key to solving your reduced tire pressure problems. This device can run on a 20-volt max battery, 12-volt DC or 110-volt AC power sources. It features a high-pressure rubber hose for durability, a threaded chuck for a secure connection to the inflation valve, and other onboard accessories, all of which make it easy to inflate and deflate items from tires to footballs. It also comes with a digital gauge that makes it easy to set desired air pressure, the auto shutoff which provides accurate inflation, and onboard LED light that helps to illuminate dark spaces. Number 7. Technaxx Portable Car Alarm System. It is not like anyone wants to steal your geriatric vehicle, but if your car security still bothers you, this device solves your safety problems. P.S. It's a pretty loud solution. The Technaxx Portable Car Alarm System is relatively easy to install, and you don't have to be an engineer to install this device. It comes in 2 parts, a siren speaker mounted in the engine compartment and connected to a battery, and the wireless transmitter plugged into your vehicle's lighter receptacle with a built-in motion detector. It also comes with a key fob that lets you turn off the unit before you enter the car. Enjoying how regular items are being made smarter? Before we move on to the next item on our list, ensure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to find more tech-related videos. Number 6. Sony XAV AX8100 touchscreen head unit. If you still own a pretty old car, yes, I'm talking to you, John, this device will prove helpful. This device can try to modernize your car a bit. This 9-inch touchscreen will make you feel like you have an iPad mini taped to your dash, and it offers all the cool features of a regular infotainment screen. This includes Bluetooth, Sirius XM internet service, HDMI input, rear camera support with an additional camera sold separately, MP3s playback, and wired CarPlay and Android Auto support. It can also do a web link cast using a cable to mirror what's on your smartphone screen. There's even a wireless remote if you're not close to the dash. It really is the answer to many people's prayers. Number 5. CarlinKit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay USB Adapter. Still talking about your old car? There is situations where you have to plug your phone in to be able to use Apple CarPlay. This device fixes that problem. The CarlinKit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay USB adapter makes wireless CarPlay pretty easy and super convenient by converting a wired CarPlay to wireless CarPlay. It connects effortlessly to your iPhone every time you get in the car and is compatible with most iPhones, from iPhone 5 to 13 Pro Max. If you have anything older than that, you obviously need help. Lots of it. The CarlinKit 3.0 Wireless CarPlay USB adapter is highly compatible with most vehicles, so you can be sure your car will have everything it needs to enjoy streaming music. Number 4. Noco Boost Plus GB40 1000 amp 12 volt jump starter box. Have you ever gotten stuck on some lonely highway because your car battery died? Trust me, there is nothing worse than this. This device is a solution to your car battery problem, and no, it isn't an extra car battery. The Noco Boost Plus Jump Starter Box is the perfect device to safely jumpstart a dead battery in seconds, with this small yet powerful 1000 amp portable lithium car battery jump starter pack, giving you up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. It also works as an LED flashlight and portable power bank to charge your smartphones, tablets, and other USB devices. It is safe, easy to use, and easily rechargeable from any powered USB port in 3 hours. Number 3. Wolfbox 12-inch 1296p mirror dash cam with 32GB card. So, your car doesn't come with a rear view camera or any camera for that matter. This device is sure to make you feel better about your car and gives you the thing you seem to be searching for. The Wolfbox mirror dash cam has a 170-degree front and 140-degree rear lens, providing a wide view and minimizing the blind spots for safe driving and reversing. It also has a smart screen split function, so you can observe a dual lens display simultaneously. It also comes with other features such as night vision, parking monitoring, GPS function, G-sensor, collision boost recording, and adjustable display view angle, amongst other features. Number 2. Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Diagnostic Code Reader Scanner. You're probably wondering what this device does. No, it does not predict future events like when next your car will break down. However, this can be used to check your engine for faults when the check engine light comes on. Whether working on your vehicle, repairing cars as a hobby, or working as a professional mechanic, the Diagnostic Code Reader Scanner is a handy tool. It enables you to read DTCs, locate bad oxygen sensors, access emissions readiness status, turn off the check engine light or MIL, reset the monitor, read live data, and retrieve the VIN from your vehicle. It is basically the Jarvis of your car. Number 1. Vantrue S1 Dual 1080p Front and Rear Dash Cam. We all know that not every car comes with a rear camera, especially if your car is pretty old. If you fall into this category, this device is perfect for you. This dashcam has a high 4K resolution, making it easier to see every detail, even in bad weather, like road signs and vehicle number plates. Both cameras simultaneously capture the road front at 170 degrees and the rear at 160 degrees, so you can see your crazy ex trying to get you in trouble. This device also has built-in GPS function for tracking location, speed, driving route, and the date and timestamp embedded on the recorded footage. It also has night vision capabilities, a large memory capacity, and is heat resistant. What are your thoughts on these incredible car inventions? Let us know in the comments section below which of these devices piques your interest. And you don't want to miss this next video.